Did it work? Did it work? Are we in business, boys? Boys, are we in business? Tell me we're in business. Are we? Can we do another test? Oh, say test? Okay, yeah, said test. How's the latency on this bad boy? On that bad boy? How's the latency? Is it better? Better be better. Okay. That was barely better. Oh my goodness. Is it? Oh, I see 5-second delay before I see it. So 2.5 second round trip versus like 30. Okay, so it is way better then. All right. All right. We figured it out. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Okay. So WTF you doing? I'm trying to make this stupid. I'm trying to make Google Slides like a dummy. I'm trying to recreate Google Slides. Can you believe it? Okay, back here. Back here. I just wanted it to deselect when I click on the stage, and it only deselects when I do that. Click on something else. Quality is worse? Well, that's okay. I think. Maybe it'll get better. We'll see. So I have this, I have the mouse down context. Set selected ID. On click is selected. So is selected is not changing. Right. So it needs to listen for on select or is selected. This is the money bags. Yeah, not the parent. So I got it get it to re-render when is selected changes. Oh no, when selected ID changes. I don't care. What if I do this? What if I'm like is selected equals that? What if I do that? I may turn this to a const. And I listen for selected ID. Bam. Are we in business? Hold up, let me refresh it. So why would anything change if you click the background? That's because like I have the selected ID as like a global state in my component. It's like it's using a context. And so like inside the context, or like I have this other thing where if I click on the stage, it changes the selected ID, which should like trickle down into this component, and the selected ID should change. But I think what's confusing is selected is a whole nother state I'm keeping track of, which is if the text logic ID is equal to selected ID, is selected should be true. We'll find out. Let's click on it. Let's click the stage. No, it didn't work. But I think maybe I should like console log something in here. Text component use effect. This use effect is not use affecting. Handle stage mouse down. Console.log stage clicked. The stage just isn't getting clicked. I'm not seeing the console logs. So why isn't the stage getting clicked? Maybe I'm returning early. Only left click. Let me ask Chat Copilot. Why is the stage not getting clicked? Hells yeah, we're breaking it down. We're breaking it down, we're verifying. The stage is not getting clicked because e.target.stage is not being met. How is that happening? Okay, let's do console.log stage is stage. This should always happen, right? That's not even happening. I'm not even getting a stage clicked. What in the world? Let me do a console log up here. Okay, yeah, this function is just not even getting called. Literally. Oh, wait a second. It is getting called now. I had to refresh, but it's saying stage is clicked as false. Okay, here we go. We got all these logs here. So I got handle stage mouse down generator. You can zoom in a lot. We got the handle stage mouse down generator when I click. Stage, but the thing is, it's saying that I'm not clicking on the stage. Stage clicked false. So like over here, this is not, it's not having this at all. It's not having this at all. e.target.getStage. e.target. Is this even the right thing to compare? Another way to fix this is if the target of the event is a child of the stage. This can be done by checking here. You can do so. I have to look in the parent. I'm gonna have to try this one then. See, guy, what do you have any projects that you're working on? Are you like doing projects in C, or do you work as a C developer? All right, let's try the parent thing. Stage click still false. Stage is ready. Null. Still not the stage. Stop propagation. I probably need to rethink this. Inspect the E. Okay, let's go ahead and inspect E. is staged. I need different messages for all of these, so I don't confuse myself. E. Let's just do E. Maybe E.target. We'll see. Go back to the console. Oh, debug? Alright. I don't even know what that does. I never used it. Let's use it. Oh, hey eCorp, how's it going? Hey Simon Shift, why don't you change your stream title of video game dev to Pokemon Go dev? I could do that. That might be a good idea, actually. It might entice the viewers to come in. Did we get E? Let me click. How about Pokemon No? Bro. Where's E? Where's the debug stuff? This is quite fascinating, to be honest. Many people would like to get in contact with professionals. Okay. Well, thank you. That makes me feel like I'm kind of cool or something. I don't know. I feel like I think of myself as just a normal dude. So it's kind of funny. It's kind of fun. Click gear. Okay, where's the gear? This top gear. Filtering it, I think. Preserve log. Eager evaluation. Show cores. Autocomplete. Let me see something. Maybe if I refresh. Let me refresh. Just do a quick refresh. Well, welcome to the stream, eCorp. How you doing? What you up to? See an E anywhere? Let me Google this real quick. Console.debug, not in Chrome console. Click default levels, make sure that verbose is checked by default. There it is. It's great just hanging around Twitch. What are you working on? I'm trying to recreate Google Slides over here. So I got my slides on this side. I'm debugging something. I'm trying to like get the click handlers working when I click on the canvas here. So like, for example, I can type stuff in here, right? And then I can like, whoa. Oh, I can press enter. Enter like saves it onto the canvas. And then I can like move it around. That to add a text box. But there's some trickery going on here that I'm working out. Out of control. I'm sorry. Let's figure out what this event is. Current target. Stage? Dude, I love dad jokes. Dude, dad jokes are my favorite jokes. So I am clicking on the stage is what's going on. It's because like, maybe it's because like when I get the stage, it returns like a whole object or something. And it's not the same as a target. They're just different types. I'm just comparing different types to each other for some reason. Why JavaScript is nonsense. This is why JavaScript is nonsense. You know what I'm saying? Is stage is false, yeah. When I do it like, when I do this. Yeah, it is debugged. I mean, it says Stage clicked false. See, like, I'm doing right here, stage clicked and is staged. This console log. So let's, I think it's because this type is of type stage and this is type something else, or stage. Or stage? What if I do like get stage? What if I do this? Wait, that doesn't make any sense. What am I doing? Dude. Oh my gosh. Who hired this guy? Let me zoom in on this. Okay. What if I do like e.target? This doesn't make any sense. Now that I think about this. Oh wait, it does make sense. That does make sense, kinda. Because like the target, and if the target is the stage. Got it. Does get stage on a stage return itself? Or does it return null reference? That's true. I'm gonna let's just console log that also. Let's just console log everything. We're gonna get to the bottom of everything here. It returns a stage. And E, what's E? E has a current target, which is a stage. But they're different. Need to set up debugging? Yeah, I need like a debugger, huh? I need to figure out how to do that. But let me go to Copilot chat real quick. Let me see something. Where's my chat? Where'd my chatty go? Copilot chat ditched me. He was like, I ain't part of any of this anymore. Ain't having any of that. Let me see. Copilot chat. No? Whoops, I don't want to do that. There it is. This isn't working, even though they are both the stage. You get bonus points for knowing about Monica themes. Monica. Thank you. I take pride in my weeb background. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so like if I get the stage, there's got to be an easier way to do all this. What's what I do here? Okay, hold up. Where's that console? There's got to be like a property on the stage that I could just look into or something. I've been working with JS for a while, but I haven't used TypeScript. Are you capable of comparing both? Would like to know if TS is better. I think TS is better. I'm just gonna say that TS is. If you are working in a big project anyway, I think TypeScript is a lot better than doing JavaScript, especially if you're working on TypeScript. Unless you're using JS docs. That is true. If you got the types in there using JavaScript, then you don't have to, I guess, use TypeScript, I guess. JS docs is an alternative. It's like adding types via the comments. Or you can import types, like files, I guess. All I'm gonna say is I'm pro types. So however you want, if you get the types in there somehow, some way or another, I think that's the way to do it. Because I worked on a big JavaScript project that didn't use any types. It just used vanilla JavaScript, and let me tell you, that was the biggest shit show I've ever had in my life, and it sucked. It sucked. Especially when you get into nested objects. Using vanilla JavaScript, you start creating an object, you start putting an object in that object, it's over for you. It's over. You might as well just throw everything in a dumpster fire. Is there any compatibility between both languages? Can you combine JavaScript with TypeScript? You can. Like, what you can do is, like, you can have a TypeScript project and then you can, like, turn off strict mode. And I think if you do that, you could just type plain JavaScript in your TypeScript project, and it won't complain. Like, if you have a like, if I go to my TS config, right? I have allowed JS. What the hell is this? Allow JavaScript files to be part of your program. Oh well, shit. It just popped up right in front of me. You can just do this. Transcript transpiles the JavaScript because yeah. Because it's top stuff. So you just need this flag. I wouldn't even know I was using that. I was talking about use strict, which was this one. So I guess what happens is it'll check your file extension for a TypeScript file. And then it'll apply the strictness rules on it. But if you just have a JS extension, it'll be like, JS. Blurp. It'll let you do JS stuff. Negative TypeScript. If you want the purity of TypeScript, you're gonna have to deal with DTS files. Bro, I'm not dealing with any of those files. E.target equals E.current target. That doesn't make any sense. But I think, like, if I want to see if I'm in the stage, all I have to do is index a property on the stage and see if it's there. Oh my gosh, let me just Google this. Check if E.target is the stage. Conva. How is there not like a way in the library to do this already? Can I like use the name of the type? Content. Whoa. I think I'm over engineering everything. Parent null? If the parent's null, we're in the stage. You know what I'm saying? Because the stage is the outermost parent. There's got to be a cleaner way to do this. Where's ChatGPT? Okay. How do I check if I click on the stage in Canva? We'll let that do its thing. Can you just set an isStage value as a component state? Like on the stage itself? That is true, but that would mean I would have to alter the library, right? Have you tried to ask Copilot such questions? I recommend it. It's very helpful if you can't find the answer through Google. I am trying Copilot a little bit right now too, but Copilot told me to do this. and I think this isn't, I don't know what that is. I'm asking everybody. We're asking Copilot, we're asking ChatGPT, we're asking Chat. But I think I can do this. Like isStage equals e.target.getStage dot parent equals null. Or what if I just do parent does not equal null? If there's no parent, let's just try that. Stage clicked. That worked. Stage clicks true. I feel like let's add this. Is it still clicking on the stage? Oh my gosh, it still thinks I'm clicking on the stage. Never mind, this isn't working. Everything's true now. Stop propagation. Oh. Does it hit all the event listeners? That might be what's going on, huh? On the event handler. So I have to go to... Let me see something. I think you're right here. But then on the text component, I would have to be like... the on click. Or maybe on the text component itself. That's a good point. Hold up. Stage.on. Oh, snap. In React, though. Hmm. It's telling me to do the same thing. It keeps telling me that. Is that really the right way to do it? I don't see anybody else doing it. That's true. When I click on a text component, it also clicks on the stage. When you click on shape like a text component, the event bubbles up to the stage unless you stop the event propagation. This is why clicking on a text component also triggers the click event on the stage. To prevent this and ensure that stage click event is only triggered when the background is clicked, you need to stop the event from bubbling up when a shape is clicked. Here's how you can adjust your react potential scenario. Handle shape click. E.cancel bubble. So that's the trick. I have to cancel the bubble. Let's cancel the bubble. And your 30 different ways to do the same thing. Okay, so on click, let's just do I need my E. E dot cancel bubble equals true. Okay, Copilot's on the same page. That's a good sign. When things start agreeing, when the AI comes to an agreement, Copilot is on the next page, fam. It is? Actually, I think Copilot is Next.js. I think that's all they trained. They trained it all on web dev. All right, let's test it out. Click on this. It's still saying stage is clicked. Works with C and SDL2. Really, really great, actually. Okay. Huh. Well, never mind. Never mind. It's still propagating. You piece of work. JavaScript is stage clicked. I'm printing E out, right? Current target is the stage. Target's text. Oh, what the heck? I think Copilot was right. If E.target equals E.current target. Because I want to see where's the parent. There's a parent on here. So this does have a parent. I'm not gonna ask questions. I'm just gonna do it. Maybe Copilot was right all along, and I'm just a dummy. There's a high probability that's the case. Can we just get rid of that? Let's refresh. One day they'll rule us all. Huh. I'm clicking on the stage. I believe. Where's E? stage. The targets are... Oh! Oh, crap. Oh my gosh. It's clicking on the rectangle. Because this border is a rectangle. I'm dumb, dude. I'm so dumb. I can't believe I'm that dumb. Bro. I just added this in because I wanted a border. I added the rectangle in because I wanted a border because I couldn't see the stage borders. And that was... I didn't... And I need to see... I'm making a manwich. Now, but I can still hear how the fuck you spell it. Yeah, Sammy. Sandwich. Sam dog. Call it Sam dog. Oh my gosh. How do I turn off? Make this unclickable. Come on, Copilot. Give me this stuff. How do I make my rect unclickable? Listening. There it is. I can't really make it lower because I can't have stuff outside of the stage component. Like, nothing will render outside of it. Hills, yeah. Now we can do this, I think. Is stage. All right, now let's make a text component. Yeah. Yeah. Click on it. Yeah. Okay, cool. Is stage click false? Oh my goodness, we finally did it. We can click off. It would render... Were you saying it would render it? Are you saying it would render it? I don't know what I said, but I think I tried to say it just would give me an error, probably. I'm starting to become a fan of Copilot. I think Copilot is actually... Copilot chat is the way to go. Oh my gosh. I just wish I can, like... I need to pop this chat out or something. Because... it's taking up all my coding real estate. That's the only issue with Copilot chat is that my real estate goes down. Really? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Ultra wide. I got 3 monitors. 1440p. How do I pop out a panel in VS Code? On Windows, Linux, press Control K, then release the keys and press O. Control K, then O. I got another window. This will open the active field tab in a new window. Open active file in new window. So I guess I just duplicate this. Where's Copilot? I say just move your browser to another window and pretend you know everything. Yeah, man. I will Convince everyone. This new window doesn't have my stuffs. Okay, forget about that. Let's forget about that. I'll just use this tiny little window if I need Copilot. Maybe I can make a hotkey. Ask Copilot. Chat. Copilot. Oh, I can do this? What the heck? Can you see my code? What is all this? Why are there so many different ways? You don't see my code. Then how did you know my file name? I'm doing Control-Alt-C. Okay, next step is, why is the rectangle like off a little bit? So I gotta go. Oh man, I'm happy that works. I'm just playing with it. But press enter. And I'm gonna make another one. Whoa! I gotta fix that at some point. Huh. How come when I click the rectangle? Oh. Oh, I see. I have to click the text to drag it. I got some bugs a little bit. I got margin problems. So let's go to... I'm gonna close everything. And I need to look into... where the text box first gets created. Typer. No. Is it this one? Set text objects, selected chords. What does this do? Is typing. If I'm typing, then we render the thing. Okay. So I have to go back to my text component or text context. So it's handling the transform by doing this math. But okay, let me go to my context. Text box context is like, I think that's what handles typing stuff. Okay, typing started. That's a good sign. Because like when I type, right, the box expands as I'm typing. But it kind of doesn't expand. And then there's like a whole different... There's a whole different box sizing algorithm when I transform it. set text object. This rectangular border, the width is width plus 10, height plus 10. What's the width? What if I get rid of this 10? What if I just get rid of that 10 and that 10? Okay, that looks better. I don't know why I had plus 10, but it still kind of changes a little bit when I resize. And now this is like getting cut off. You can, yeah, it kind of resizes differently. This is gonna be adjust the position slightly. Stroke width. Text object. Node.width. Okay, this is using a node width. This is a whole different. Sounds like margin first padding is my first guess. Yeah, maybe. This library handles abstracts the padding and margins, and I'm left with like node.width. Where does the height come from? Where do I set the width here? I guess I'm updating it in some places. So I need to see where that's happening. Just here? Width times the scale. The transformer is making things a little more complicated, I think. This transformer thing. Transformer. Robot. You probably have to... Okay. I think I'll look into this later on. Made a lot of progress. We made a lot of progress. We'll leave it at that. We got the stage stuff. We'll wrap up the stream here. But yeah, thanks for coming to the stream, Lunatic Edit. That was fun. Thanks for the help. You saved me a bunch of time. I would have just been trying to figure out how to do the stage this whole time. How to click on the stage. Like a dummy. But yeah, hope you come back again. We'll see you next time. All right, all right. Cheers, my friends. Have a good one.